Namak Para recipe. Ingredients you'll need. Here's a list of ingredients to make Namak Para. Flour base. 2 cups Atta/wheat flour, or substitute with 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour plus a 1/4 cup Semolina/Suji for extra crispness. Flavor enhancers. 5 tablespoons oil or ghee. 4 tablespoons if using all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon Hing/Asafoetida. Optional but adds a unique aroma. 1 teaspoon Ajwain/Carom seeds for digestive benefits and flavor. 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoon black pepper crushed for a slight peppery kick. Seasoning. 3/4 to 1 teaspoon salt, adjust to taste. Binding. 1/2 cup water, plus more as needed. For frying. Oil as required for deep frying. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preparing the dough. Mix the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, suji if using, salt, ajwain, pepper, and hing. Stir well to ensure even distribution. Incorporate oil. Add oil or ghee to the mixture. Use your fingertips to rub the oil into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. This step ensures the Namak Pare turn out flaky and crispy. Add water gradually. Begin adding water little by little, start with 1/3 cup. Knead the mixture into a stiff dough. Avoid making it too soft as that will affect the texture. Taste test. Taste a small piece of dough to check seasoning. Adjust salt, ajwain, or pepper as needed. Rest the dough. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts, shape them into balls, and cover with a damp cloth to prevent drying. Let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Shaping the Namak Pare. Roll the dough. Lightly grease your rolling board with oil and roll 1 dough ball into a thin chapati, about 8 to 9 inches in diameter. Keep the thickness even to ensure uniform frying. Cut into diamonds. Using a knife or pizza cutter, cut the rolled dough vertically into strips, about 1 inch apart. Then, cut diagonally to create diamond shapes. Alternatively, cut into squares or long strips depending on your preference. Repeat. Place the cut pieces on a greased plate. Repeat the process with the remaining dough balls. Step 3. Frying the Namak Pare. Heat the oil. Pour enough oil into a deep pan and heat it on medium flame. Test the oil by dropping a small piece of dough. If it sizzles and rises to the surface without burning, the oil is ready. Fry in batches. Carefully slide the Namak Pare into the hot oil. Fry them in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Stir occasionally for even cooking. Achieve golden perfection. Fry until the Namak Pare turn golden brown and crispy. This may take 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Drain and cool. Remove the fried Namak Pare with a slotted spoon and place them on a steel colander or paper towels to drain excess oil. Allow them to cool completely before storing.